In this video, I will show you exactly how to rename an individual form title descriptor header within your Typeform account. Have you ever felt that your current form title is a bit outdated or simply doesn't reflect the content of your survey anymore? Changing it is actually much easier than you might think and only takes a few seconds of your time. To get started, you will need to open the specific form you want to modify within the Typeform editor. Once you have the form open on your screen, I want you to look at the very top left corner of the header bar. This is the area where the current title of your Typeform is prominently displayed for you to see. When you have located it, all you need to do is click directly on the existing title text itself. As soon as you click, you will notice that the text instantly transforms into an editable input field, allowing you to make changes on the fly. Now is the time to go ahead and type your new title descriptor header into that box. Make sure it is clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later in your dashboard. Once you have finished typing the perfect name for your form, you just need to save the change. To do this, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard or click your mouse anywhere outside of the text box on the workspace canvas. Doing this will lock in the new name immediately. It is an incredibly smooth and straightforward process that helps you keep your projects organized and professional looking. Following these simple steps ensures that your internal organization stays tidy and your forms are always labeled correctly for your team or personal reference throughout your creative journey. Now you can move forward with your project knowing that your headers are fully customized to your liking. It is just that simple to stay organized within your Typeform workspace today.